Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by backing up your device. This protects data if you need a restore. Once backed up, open Settings, go to General, then VPN and Device Management, and locate the iOS Beta software profile. Tap Remove Profile and confirm. That unregisters your device from receiving beta updates. After removal, restart the device immediately so the change takes effect. Doing this first prevents future beta builds from downloading automatically and makes the next steps, the actual downgrade or reinstall, safe and predictable. Once done removing the profile, you need the correct public firmware and a computer. Make sure you download the exact IPSWA for your device model because mismatched files fail. Plug the iPhone into a Mac with Finder or a PC with iTunes. Put the device into recovery mode for a normal reinstall or into DFU mode if you must overwrite lower-level firmware. Choose Restore in Finder or iTunes, select the IPSWA if using a manual file, and let the software flash the public release. This replaces beta code with the stable build. You finish by setting the device up and restoring your backup, or by starting fresh if you prefer a clean slate. Make sure to check Settings, General, Software Update to confirm you're on the public release and no beta profile remains. If anything goes wrong, if the restore stalls or the device is stuck, put it into DFU mode and retry the restore with a freshly downloaded IPSWA. Often a new cable or different USB port fixes connection issues. One key tip: Apple only signs specific builds, so use a currently signed IPSWA.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.